Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn money from the Binance app without any investment. So it is a very easy process. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of More button. Now tap on it. Now to earn money without any investment from the Binance app, tap on to gift and campaign right here. Now here you can find the tools of the gift and campaign. Now to earn money, tap on to referral. After that, you can simply copy the referral code or link and send it to your friends, and you can simply make them join by using your referral code or link, and after that you will earn money from it. The next way is you can simply tap on to learn and earn right here. By using the learn and earn, you can easily start learning, and you can also earn when you start learning. Now tap on to one of the learnings and you can start learning and also earning. And the next way is you can simply use the P2P option right here. When you start using the peer-to-peer method, you can easily earn money without the investment. And that's it. These are the tricks that you can learn and earn money from the Binance without investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.